everyone, happy Monday. And Mondays are our first impressions. And today I got finally getting to try the matte collection. So I've been holding it for long. I still have the In Bloom collection and also the what is the a coral reef is still pending, so I still have to do those. And if you have a preference, always make sure you let me know so that I can do those first. So it came with it came with 4 different matte glosses. You don't have to buy them as a collection, you can pick them separately too. I am really excited to try this because these colors are like perfectly go well for your everyday look. And these are good for people who doesn't want lot of color, or who doesn't want to do lip sense for everyday look but still need just a tiny bit of tint to it. And all these 4 colors have corresponding lip sense colors too, so I picked them to show you. So we have, each one has its own lip sense color to match with it. I will show the swatch next to each other. So the colors are Bella Matte, Praline Matte, which is the Praline Rose color, and then we have Creamer Matte, and then Hazel Matte. Except Creamer, these 3 colors from the lip sense collection are from the permanent line, whereas Creamer was a limited edition lip sense color. So let's go ahead and do one by one, and I will show the swatch next to the lip sense color later. Start with Bella first. So you can see this is Bella as a lip sense color, and this is Bella as a matte gloss. And you can wear the color as it is, or you can wear it on top of any lip sense shades. I have seen some of these colors on top of red, and they look really amazing because any matte gloss with red will look nice. And these apply like so smooth, like a lip balm. So let's go ahead with the next one, which is the Praline Matte. You can see Praline Rose. I think Praline Rose is a shimmer if I'm not wrong, but you won't see it that much. Praline Rose is used to be one of my favorite for layering because it doesn't have a very bold tint to it. So it can be used as your blank canvas as first layer, or you can use it to you can tone it down any color using Praline Rose. So and it's pretty to be worn on its own too. So let's go ahead with the Praline Matte gloss. So this is Praline Matte on me. This is even lighter than Bella. You can see Bella is more of a brownish tint to it, pinkish brown I would say, whereas this is more of a pink shade. So this is Praline Rose. Praline Rose is again matte. Sorry that I mentioned as a shimmer. It's again a matte color. So then you can see here the Praline Rose matte gloss. So it's really very subtle pink. I will show you a comparison of the pink matte gloss. Pink matte gloss will be even lighter pink, whereas this is more of it's not that flashy. It is more closer to my lip tone, I would say. This will be like your everyday gloss where you don't have to wear any color and just use it like a lip balm and just apply it whenever needed. So that's the second shade for the today. And let's go ahead with the other two. The other two are brown shades because Creamer is like a lighter brown, whereas Hazelnut is a darker brown. So let's go ahead with Creamer first because, as I said, Hazelnut will be even more darker than Creamer. So this is Creamer Lip Sense and this is Creamer as a matte shade. The four colors I would reach when I do a bold eye look are like a nude honey, nude pink, creamer and rose quartz. So these 4 are my favorite if I have to choose one for my everyday nude lip because they go very smoothly. You won't have any issues applying, and you know how it's little hard for us to find a nude, perfect nude for us. So that way Creamer used to be really pretty, and these shades are like what to say, like help you to make a blank canvas. So I always reach out to them. Very rarely I do like a bold lip look if I'm doing eye look. So creamer is another perfect choice if you want a nude lip. So let's go ahead and do creamer matte on top of it. Do you see? It's like it will be like exactly my lip tone, and you don't even notice that it is like a perfect matte for my skin tone. So you can see barely you can see the color, because this is creamer as a lip sense and creamer matte gloss. So that's how it matches my skin tone. That's why the colors I have listed are my perfect go-to, because when I need only one point of concentration, I make it the other one really subtle. That way they don't clash between each other. So this is creamer matte. So if you are someone who doesn't want to show any lip color at all, then go with this will be like just moisturizing, and you won't show any color at all. And you can see the consistency here also. It is similar to the pink matte. It's really thick. So I mean, you won't have any spillage or anything, even if you have in your handbags. And these will be perfect for even teens or kids too. So let's go ahead with the last one, which is the hazelnut matte. Let me show it next to the color. So this is hazelnut as a color, and this is hazelnut as a matte shade. I could see it's a little darker when compared to the hazelnut. So let's go ahead. This is going to be obviously darker brown. So this is hazelnut on me. You can see it's light, I mean it's really dark when compared to creamer or even Bella. So you can see the difference. These are the four colors. I have swatched all four for you. So let's start with here Bella, with the Bella matte gloss. This is Praline Rose Lip Sense color with Praline Rose matte, and this is creamer Lip Sense with the creamer matte, and this is hazelnut as a lip sense color, and hazelnut matte as the the matte gloss. So it has different varieties, like one light pink, one dark maroonish pink, and then you have one light brown and one dark brown. So you have like a variety of it. I think this would go amazingly well on top of a red, or even, as I said, with nude pink with on top of hazelnut will look really amazing, because nude pink or nude honey will not have much tint to it. So topping it with a gloss like this will give a little more brownish shade when you need it to. Matte lip lover, don't miss the opportunity. I heard they are selling out fast. So since being a limited edition, they won't last longer. So they will be only until the stock lasts. So if you need one, either pre-order or you can grab from my stock. You can pick them individually or you can pick them as a collection, and when you buy as a collection, you obviously get this bag. It comes with the bag, and these are like full-size glosses, so they will last you longer, and as I said, you can just use them as on top of a lip color or on its own. So either way, you can easily grab and go. And here is the pink matte for your comparison. You can see pink matte when compared to Praline or Bella, it's really a different shade of pink. So far we have 6 matte shades. So we have just the matte gloss and 5 of the pigmented matte gloss. So that's all for today's video. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon in a new content.